Hello guys, welcome to our math online classes. Today's topic is about compound measurements. Compound measurements means that we can add or we can subtract, multiply or divide compound measures. Compound measures that we're talking about measurements which are different, like tomatoes and onions. For instance, feet are different from inches. They are not the same, they're different. So if I have to add, I add the feet first, and 3 plus 2 plus 5 are 10 feet. Then I go to measure and add the smaller measurements, like 5 inches, 2 inches, 18 inches. And I found that the total is 15 inches, but I have to have just one result. And I know that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. That means that I have to subtract from 15. So I have 3 inches left and 1 foot. So this 1 foot is going to come up here, and then we will get 11 feet and 3 inches. So this is my final addition. Okay, so I have completely added the feet, which will be 11, and I have added completely the inches. I can do this with length, I can do with weight, and I can do with capacity. For instance, if I have to add 5 pounds plus 3 pounds, I have 8 pounds. But also we have ounces. Ounces are smaller than a pound, so I add them. And I know that every pound is equal to 16 ounces. So that means that I will have to subtract from here, and I will get 2 ounces. And this will be 1 pound, 1 extra pound, so it will be here, plus 1. And in this case, we'll get 9 pounds and 2 ounces. So this is my addition. I found that this is 9 pounds and 2 ounces. Okay, in capacity, gallons, we have 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. And I have 22 quarts. And I know that 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. So that means that 22 divided by 4 is going to give me 5 gallons. And since 4 times 5 is equal to 20, and I have 22, and I subtract them, I have 2 left, 2 quarts. So I have 5 gallons that I have to add here, 5 gallons, and I have 2 quarts that will be reminded. So my final answer will be 5 gallons and 2 quarts. So this is the way we can add, or we can add length, weight, and capacity. Okay. Now we are going to continue with subtraction of compound measurements in length, weight, and capacity. Well, I have to subtract 3 feet from 3 feet to 2 feet, and from 5 inches to 8 inches. You have to see that it's very difficult to subtract here because 5 is smaller than 8, so I need to borrow 1 foot. That makes me change this in 2 feet, and 1 feet has 12 inches plus 5, it will be 12 plus 5, 17 inches, and it's 2 feet, and now I can subtract from 8 inches, right? So that means that this is 12 inches more. 5 plus 12 is 17. Now, 17 minus 8 is 9 inches, and 2 plus 2 is 0. So, the final answer of this subtraction is 9 inches. In this case, happens the same. I can subtract here, but this is smaller, so I need 1 extra pound. And 1 extra pound means that I have to add 16 ounces. So that means that I will have 5 pounds and 24 ounces. And now I can subtract this very easily. And I have 4 and 1 ounce. And here I have 2 pounds. So my final answer is 2 pounds and 14 ounces. 14 ounces. Very simple, right? I have to remember very clearly which are the units. In capacity, well, let's see that this is another situation. I have, let's see, I have only 4 quarts. And I cannot subtract 8. So I will borrow from here 1 gallon. 1 gallon. Oh, wait a second, there's a problem here. This is gonna be 4, and this was 4. So the answer here is 1 pound. That was a mistake. Okay, now I have to borrow here, so this becomes 8. 8, I have to add 4 gallons, 4 quarts, because every gallon has 4 quarts. That means that I will have 8 gallons to add to 8 quarts. But I have to subtract from here, and guess what? Very interestingly, this will be cancelled out. So I will only have 3 gallons. Okay? This is the way you have to do addition and subtraction. But be careful. I forgot here that I borrow 1 pound from here, and I forgot to subtract. Now the real answer is this one. Okay, thank you very much. That will be all for today. God bless you. See you.